Good morning, students. Today we are going to solve exercise 4.2. Question number 1. Find the root of the following quadratic equation by factorizations. From class 8th, you are solving these type of quadratic equations factorized by factorization method. Today we are also going to solve these quadratic equations by factorization method. Question number 1. X square minus 3x minus 10 equal to 0. To make it factorize, we will compare it ax square bx plus c equal to 0. This is the coefficient of x square and this is a constant term. From this, coefficient of x square is 1 and constant term is 10. So product of this 1 into 10 equal to 10. To factorize this, make the factor of 10 5 into 2. 5 into 2 is the factor of 10 and difference of these two factor is 3. So apply it. X square minus 5x plus 2x minus 10 equal to 0. What is common from these two terms? X minus 5. Again common from these two terms, plus 2 x minus 5. These two terms always come common in factorization method. So we will take from these two terms x minus 5 as common. What left from these terms? X. And from this 2. So x minus 5 and x plus 2 are two factor of this equation. For finding the roots, we will compare these two. 0, x plus 2 equal to 0, x equal to 5 and x equal to 2. These are the two roots of this quadratic equation. Second part of question number 1. This is first part. 2x square plus x minus 6 equal to 0. Again 6 into 2 is 12 and 12 factor of 12 4 into 3, 2x square plus 4x minus 3x. Difference of 4 and 3 is this term x or 1. Coefficient of x is 1. 4 minus 3 is 1. Minus 6 equal to 0. Common from these first two terms, 2x, x plus 2. From these two terms, minus 3, x plus 2. Again you see that in these two terms, x plus 2 is common. So take x plus 2 common. 2x minus 3 equal to 0. X plus 2 equal to 0. 2x minus 3 equal to 0. X is equal to minus 2. 2x is equal to 3. X is equal to minus 3 by 2. Again we will find these two roots. This is plus 3 by 2 because when we take this to this term, this is 3 by 2. Also here we are doing a wrong step. X plus 2 is 0 and this is x equal to minus 2. Third part. Root 2x square plus 7x plus 5 root 2 equal to 0. This is important question. Again multiply 5 root 2 into root 2. 5 root 2 into root 2 equal to 5 into 2. Root 2 multiplied by root 2, it becomes 2 equal to 10. And 5 plus 2, 7. Whether the difference of these two terms or sum of these two terms is equal to this root 2 x square plus 5x plus 2x प्लस 5 रूट 2 इन का जो हम मल्टीप्लाई करके सी और ए का मल्टीप्लाई करके जो आता है उसके फैक्टर बनाएंगे और वो फैक्टर का या तो डिफरेंस या जोड़ जो कोफिशिएंट ऑफ एक्स है बी वो आना चाहिए। यही स्टेप अभी तक मैंने इन सभी क्वेश्चंस में की है। व्हाट इज कॉमन इन दीज टू टर्म्स? फ्रॉम दीज टू टर्म्स we will take x common from these two terms, root 2 x plus 5. From these two terms we will take root 2 as common, root 2 x plus 5 equal to 0. This is common in those both terms, so we will take root 2 x plus 5 x plus root 2 equal to 0. Again compare these two roots, two factors, root 2 x plus 5 equal to 0, x plus root 2 equal to 0, root 2 x equal to minus 5 or x equal to minus 5 by root 2, x is equal to minus root 2. We also factorize rationalize it, minus 5 root 2 upon 2, both this also correct and minus 5 by root 2 is also correct. Okay, now next fourth part, 2x square minus x plus 1 by 8 equal to 0. In this question we will take LCM first, and 8 is the LCM. 16x square minus 8x plus 1 equal to 0. Take this to 0 side, becomes 0. Now statement becomes x square minus 8x plus 1 equal to 0. 16 into 1 16, 4 into 4 16, 16x square minus 4x minus 4x, 4 into 4 16 और 4 plus 4 8, तो minus 4 को ऐड करेंगे तो minus 8 plus 1 equal to 0. 4x is taking common from these two terms, 4x minus 1, taking minus 1 common from these two terms, 4x minus 1 equal to 0. From these two terms 4x minus 1 is common, 4x minus 1 equal to 0. Again equating 4x minus 1 equal to 0 and 4x minus 1 equal to 0. Here 4x equal to 1, x is equal to 1 upon 4. Also 4x equal to 1 or x is equal to 1 by 4. These two are the roots of this quadratic equation. Fifth part, last part of question number 1. 100x square minus 20x plus 1 equal to 0. Multiply 100 into 1 is 100 and factor of 100 10 into 10 and 10 plus 10 is 20. 100x square minus 10x plus 1 equal to 0. Taking common from these two, 10x minus 1 common from these two terms, 10x minus 1, 10x minus 1. If you will open this, minus 1 into 10 minus 10x, and minus into minus plus 1x. Same method we have to apply in each and every questions. Common from these two terms, 10x minus 1, 10x minus 1 come equal to 0. Again equating both factor to 0, 10x minus 1 equal to 0, 10x minus 1 equal to 0, 10x equal to 1 and x equal to 1 by 10, 10x equal to 1, x is equal to 1 by 10. Question number 2. Solve the problem given in example 1. Now we are going to example 1. John and Jivanti together leave 45 marbles. Both of them lost 5 marbles each, and the product of the number of marbles they now have is 124. We would like to find out how many marbles they had to start with. Let Johan have marble. John had marbles, X marbles. Jivanti had marbles equal to. Both have 45 marbles. If one have X marble, the other have 45 minus X marbles. This is the condition if two brother and sister having rupees 100, and from one of them having total rupees, sum of total rupees they have 100. If one had 50 rupees, the another having 100 minus 50. Same method is applied here. According to question or according to condition, both of them lost 5 marble. दोनों ने 5 मार्बल गुम कर दिए. Now if John had X marble, now X minus 5. John ने भी 5 मार्बल लॉस कर दिए. 45 minus X minus 5. जीवंती ने 5 मार्बल लॉस कर दिए. And now their product is 124. This is the condition. Product of number of marbles they now have. 5 गुम करने के बाद जो उनके पास मार्बल बचे हैं, मार्बल का प्रोडक्ट कितना है? 124. X minus 5 into 40 minus X equal to 124. This is question number 2, first part. Now we can multiply it. 40x minus x square, x multiplied by this and this. Again minus 5 into 40, this is 200. Minus 5 into minus x plus 5x equal to 124. Taking this to that side, mean minus x square becomes x square minus 40 become plus 40 becomes minus 40, plus 4 x 5x becomes minus 5x. This 200 becomes plus 200, and this remain 124 equal to 0. X square minus 45x plus 324. Now we have to factorize this quadratic equation. 324, factor of 324, multiply this, divide this by 3. 3 1 ja 1, 3 8 ja 24 into 3. Again multiply this. 3 3 ja 9, 3 6 ja 18 into 3 into 3. 9 4 ja 9. Here from the number which we will divide this term, in this side we will multiply with the same number. Now this becomes 36 into 9, and 36 plus 9 is 45. So we get the factor of 324 into 1, 324, and 324 equal to 36 into 9, 36 plus 9, 45. X square minus 36x plus, minus 9x plus 324 equal to 0. Common from this, x minus 36 minus 9, common from this, x minus 36 equal to 0. Common from this two, x minus 36, x minus 9. This is common, x is remain here. This is common, and minus 9 is remain here, equal to 0. Again x minus 36 equal to 0, x minus 9 equal to 0, x is equal to 36, x is equal to 9. These are the two factors or two zeros of this quadratic equation. Part second. Question number 2, exercise 4.2. A cottage industries produces a certain number of toys in a day. The cost of production of each toy was found to be 55 minus the number of toys produced in that day. On a particular day, the total cost of production was this. We would like to find the number of toys produced on that day. Let number of toys produced on that day, x toys. Cost of one toy, 55 minus the number of toys, 55 minus the number of toys produced on that day. 55 minus the number of toys produced on that day, x. According to question, or according to condition, total cost of production, total cost mean number of toys into number of cost of one toy, x number of toys into cost of one toy. 55 minus x equal to 750. 55x minus x square is equal to 750. We will take this to this side. X square minus becomes plus, plus becomes minus, and this remain plus 750 equal to 0. We will factorize again these equations. Now 750 into 1, 750, and 750 factorization of 750 is 25 into 30. 25 into 30, 75. 25 plus 30, 25 into 30, and 25 plus 30 is 55. So x square minus 25x minus 30x plus 750 equal to 0. Common from this x minus 25. Common from this minus 30 x minus 25 equal to 0. X minus 25 x minus 30 equal to 0. Equating these two factors to 0. X minus 25 equal to 0. X minus 30 equal to 0. X equal to 25 and x is equal to 30. These are the two zeros of the quadrication, and if x is the number of toys produced in that day, number of toys produced on that day is 25. 25 भी ठीक है और 30 भी ठीक है. Move to question number 3. Exercise 4.2. Find the number whose sum is 27 and product is 182. Again, let one number x, other number 27 minus x. If sum of the two number is 27 and one of them is x, then another is 27 minus x. According to question, product is 182. Their product is 182. So x into 27 minus x equal to 182. 27x minus x square equal to 182. Taking this to this side, plus minus x square becomes x square, plus 27x becomes minus 27x, and this remain plus equal to 0. Now we have to make factor of this 182, and factor of 182 is 182 is equal to, divide it by 2, 2921 into 2, again divide by it, 7 1 ja 7 3 ja 2 into 7, 13 into 14, and 13 plus 14 is 27. X square minus 13x minus 14x plus 182 equal to 0. Common from these two, x minus 13. Common from these two is minus 14. X minus 13 equal to 0. X minus 13, x minus 14 equal to 0. Again equating these two factor with 0. X minus 13 equal to 0. X minus 14 equal to 0. X is equal to 13. X is equal to 14. Move to next question. Question number 4. Find two consecutive positive integers, sum of whose square is this? Consecutive mean लगातार, one after the other, 1, 2, 3 are the consecutive number. So let first number x, second number x plus 1, add 1 to this. This becomes, these two numbers are consecutive numbers according to sum or question or condition. Whose square is 365? Square these two numbers and square of these two numbers, sum of the square of these two numbers is 365. So x square plus x plus 1 square equal to 365. X square plus x square plus 1 plus 2x equal to 360. Apply a plus b whole square. Apply a plus b whole square. A square plus b square plus 2ab. 365. 2x square plus 1 plus 2x. Taking this to this side, minus 365 equal to 0. 2x square plus 2x. 365 minus and 1 is plus. Now it becomes minus 364. Subtracts small term from large term and taking symbol of large term or big term equal to 0. I think 2 is common in all these three numbers. So divide whole equation by 2. X square plus x minus, again we will make factor of 182, and factor of 182 we will discuss in previous question. 13 into 14, and 14 minus 13 is 1. X square plus 14x minus 13x minus 182 equal to 0. X common, x plus 14 minus 13 common, x plus 14 equal to 0. X plus 14, x minus 13 equal to 0. Equating these two factors to 0. X plus 14 equal to 0. X minus 13 equal to 0. X is equal to 14 and x is equal to 13. These are the zeros of the given equation. Question number 5. The altitude of a right triangle is 7 cm less than its base and its hypotenuse 13. Draw a right angle triangle A, B, C. Hypotenuse AC is 13 given. If the hypotenuse is 13, altitude of a right angle triangle is 7 cm less than its base, then let base be x and altitude 7 cm less than its base mean x minus 7. If this is x, this is x minus 7. Applying Pythagoras theorem. By applying Pythagoras theorem to this triangle, AB square plus BC square equal to AC square. AB is x square, BC is x minus 7 square, this is 13 square. X square plus a minus b whole square mean a square plus b square minus 2ab. X square 7 square minus 2 into x into 7 equal to 13 square. X square plus x square 2x square plus 14 9. 7 square is 49 minus 14x equal to 169. 13 square is 169. 2x square minus 14x plus 49 minus 169 equal to 0. Subtract 49 from 169. This is 120. 2x square minus 14x minus 120 equal to 0. This equation is divided by 2 throughout. X square minus 7x minus 60 equal to 0. Factor 60 into 1 is 60. 60 into 1 equal to 60, and 60 equal to 5 into 12, and 12 minus 5 is 7. X square minus 12x minus 5x minus 60 equal to 0. X square, taking x common, x minus 12 minus 5 common, sorry, this is plus, this is plus. 12 minus 5 is minus के 7, minus 5 common, sorry, plus 5. X minus 12, x minus 12, x plus 5 equal to 0, equal to 0. X minus 12 equal to 0, x plus 5 equal to 0, x is equal to 12 and x is equal to minus 5. But minus negative number cannot be taken as a distance, so neglect it. Answer is 12. Other two sides mean base is 12 and altitude is 12 minus 7, 5. So base is 12 and altitude 12 minus 7 equal to 5. These are the answers. Question number 6. A cottage industry produces a certain number of pottery articles in a day. It was observed on a particular day that the cost of production of each article in rupees was 3 more than twice the number of articles produced on that day. If the total cost of production on that day, it was the similar question like example 1 part 2. So what we do to solve this, let number of article produced on that day x article and cost of one article, this is the cost, number of article produced on that day is x article, and cost of one article equal to 3 more than twice the number of articles. Twice the number of articles mean 2x, and plus 3 more than twice the number of articles. This is in rupees. According to question, number of article into cost of one article equal to total cost. X into 2x plus 3 equal to 90. This is given. Total cost of production on that day was 90. Number of article, cost of one article, multiply these two, we will get total cost. 2x square plus 3x equal to 90. 2x square plus 3x minus 90 equal to 0. 90 into 22, 180. And factor of 180, 15 into 12. When we multiply 15 into 12, we get 180, and 15 minus 12, we will get 3. 2x square plus 15x minus 12x minus k 20 equal to 0. What is common from these two numbers? X is only common from these two numbers or these two quantity. 2x plus 15, and common from these two, minus 6. 2x plus 15 equal to 0. 2x plus 15, x minus 6. From these two numbers, all the steps are same, used in each and every question. We will take common from these two, 2x plus 15, 2x plus 15. This is common in each and every question. And x and minus 6 are remaining here, equal to 0. Equating these two numbers with 0, 2x plus 15 equal to 0, x minus 15 equal to 0, 2x equal to minus 15, or x is equal to minus 15 by 2. Neglect it. The value or number of articles cannot be negative, so it can be neglect. And x is equal to 15. The number of article equal to 15, and cost of each article equal to 2 into x is 15 plus 3, 30 plus 3, 33. Rupees 33 is cost of each article. This is complete.